So for your ingredients, you'll need milk, vanilla syrup, caramel sauce, a cup of ice, and an espresso shot. Step 1. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla syrup to your cup of ice. Step 2. Add your choice of milk to the cup of ice and make sure to leave space for the espresso shot that will go on top. Step 3. Add your espresso shot to the cup of ice and milk. Step 4. Add your caramel drizzle on top of the espresso shot and milk. Do any design you want and don't worry about being messy. And that's how you make your very own iced caramel macchiato. Thanks for watching. The main target for this video was people who love coffee and want to make handcrafted drinks at home. The title of the video was How to Make an Iced Caramel Macchiato. I chose this title because it clearly states what people will see in the video and the steps on how to make the drink. I think this video will attract the target market because caramel macchiatos are very popular drinks at Starbucks, and this way the viewers only need to buy the ingredients and then they'll be able to make the drink from the comfort of their home.